Liquid printed pneumatics is the first fully printed inflatable structure that can morph from one shape into any other shape. This is a collaboration between MIT Self-Assembly Lab and BMW.
The collaboration with the MIT was a perfect example of interdisciplinary collaboration with a lab from outside with BMW design.
We were interested in exploring different types of cushioning materials and soft or expanding materials, and we came up with a new way to print them. Printed inflatables that are fully sealed, air, watertight, but they can expand or contract to make any size.
I think in the future the interior of a car would be more modular, it would change more. The potential of this material is really great because they are adaptive to the customer, to the human being.
Ultimately, the future of this is flexibility and adaptation, adaptable materials that can transform to the body, transform to the environment, and change function on demand.